I'm super excited to finally share as I slide off my car. A big project that I've been keeping like kind of a secret that I accidentally started working on like a month ahead of time. But we are building out my car into a camper van sort of setup. Super excited to share it all with you. Everything will be posted probably just on YouTube, maybe IGTV. We'll see what happens. But I'm super excited to share the entire process with you. I have a 2012 Nissan Rogue. Things that we've already done. I ripped out the back seats of my car, which I thought was going to take me a lot longer. It took me all of 7 minutes. Sneaky, super easy to take seats out of your car. And we also, I strung up, like, I'll show everything to you later, but I strung up like a clothesline, pretty taut, going around the length, going around like the perimeter of the vehicle, so that I can use them for curtains, which I'm going to make from old sheets. But yeah, can't wait to take you along. So today's agenda, we are taking cardboard to kind of figure out like the exact fit of like how we need to cut the wood and everything. And then we'll go to Home Depot and grab some plywood, I think is what we're planning on building with, and we'll start building. Woo! Got like